So FYI, I was at Riviera getting some snacks and coffee with my family, and we were planning on taking the Skyliner back over to the boardwalk area, and I learned that the whole Skyliner will shut down if you jump in it. In fact, a cast member informed us that if you're a large party and all of you are jumping at once, please don't do that, because the real field temperature right now is 108 degrees and there are people suffering inside of their Skyliners because you thought it would be fun to jump.
What happens if you're in there and you gotta poop?
And you're stuck in the Skyliner?
Okay.
I think they have bags for that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner.
Well, here we go again. This is like a part 2, right? Another adventure for the duo, Willow.
We hope you enjoyed your visit to
Harlow and Willow.
today.
Oh yeah, and then Corbin. Corbin's here too.
Say cheese for just 2 seconds. No, Harlow. Cheese. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, because every
that going
picture
to
Harlow
your
was
mom?
making a silly face or Willow wasn't looking. It was either or. That's what Harlow looks like.
All right, so what's the plan right now, girls?
I don't know. Eat chocolate.
Eat chocolate?
No, eat chocolate.
All right, so here we go. We are going to make our way to the main station, the switch track. And then we're going to go that way, over by Epcot. Then we're going to walk the boardwalk and all that fun stuff and get some treats. Maybe go into cake bake. Ooh, oh my gosh. Would that be nice? Would you like that? Okay. In case anybody's wondering, why does the boy have a ponytail? I know, that's weird, right? Especially in today's day and age. It's to keep his hair out of his face. He likes his hair long like his brother. He refuses to let us cut it. And it's a nightmare even just to do the side. So it's easier for mommy and daddy to put it up in a man bun.
He has a man bun and a Viking cut. It's okay.
It's a Viking cut. It's cute.
It's actually very, very masculine.
Yeah. Say you're a handsome fella, right? Okay, bye.
All right, well, here we are at Le Petit Café, which loosely translates to the small coffee. I won't be ordering that. Instead, I'll be getting the large iced coffee, right? Okay, thanks.
You girls want to go look at around the corner and see what kind of treats they have? Say excuse me, or kick people in the back of their knees. So, how are you feeling?
I'm hot.
You're hot?
I'm having a very, literally, I'm like, this is the hottest I've been in a very long time.
So earlier, I felt like I might have been getting a little like over something. Since I'm not in the shot, I was really feeling kind of, not the greatest. And then I had to poop.
And that made you feel better?
So I did.
Oh.
You want to make out? Did you find something to eat? No. Okay, well, we could also go downstairs. There's another place down there that's got some delicious stuff.
You don't want to
You see that sign over there that says mercy? If you don't give them a tip, they will hold you and want to break your legs until you scream mercy. And then you are forced to give them 50 cents.
True story. Tell her it's true story. She needs to know it's true. Okay, bye. Look at this amazing meal you guys are having at Primo Piatto. Is this nice? How is your sandwich? It looks like any other regular pizza. Wait a minute. Did you just get You mean to tell me you didn't get anything special from Primo Piatto? You just
There was nothing
went
I
with an
liked.
Uncrustable? Corbin, who does that? You got a cookie?
Yeah.
And that's it? Wow. Sad. It's really crowded in here, so there is a table right there they're going to take. We got nowhere to sit. So I'm waiting for Kristen to come back down here with some coffee. She just texted me and said somebody wanted to know something. So let me see. Oh, hold on. I'll be back.
All right, well, here we are, heading back to Skyliner now. We had a nice little lunch, late lunch or dinner. We had dinner. It was good. Ate French fries, had a nice coffee. It was good. Now I'm following these old people. No, I don't know where they're going, but definitely feel like I want to party with them.
Girls, are you excited to get back on the Skyliner?
Yeah.
And go over to Boardwalk? No. They're not running. I wonder what happened. Stitch must have messed something up. Dang it, Stitch. Ruining this for everybody. Well, they just stopped as we were approaching back there. At all, yeah. I'll tell you what I wouldn't want to be right now is stuck on that thing with this heat, because, oh my God, it definitely is uncomfortable. So, well, that side's not going either. So that's a full shutdown. That's fun. Somebody must have pooped in one. I'm gonna keep following these people. Ask them if they want to hang out with me. Hey, guys, I hang out with? No? Oh, never mind. I don't have a lot of friends, guys. Sure would like some buddies to hang out with. Tell everybody something so interesting. Give them a Disney fact that will make them subscribe to the channel, because they'll be like, these people are chock full of the most interesting. I'll never get this anywhere else.
I don't think I have any of that.
Okay, that should be good enough.
In the princess movie, where the bow and arrow go,
Merida?
Merida. In the movie where Merida is in, there's actually a hidden who's the other dude's name?
Sully?
Yeah, and Joy.
I did not know
And they're
that.
like word characters.
Oh. Oh.
Please subscribe.
Willow, do you have any interesting facts?
I can't. Probably not.
No? How about you tell us a story about a time you were in your friend's car and their dad was playing the best song ever?
That fart song, you know.
No.
That's the best. What do you mean? What? No? That wasn't a good time? I thought that was a good time. No? Alright. Fine. Alright. Well, Skyliner's moving again, but we are as well. We're just moving not inside of them because the line is crazy long, and if you've ever boarded from this side, you gotta wait for somebody to either an empty cart or for one of these to have a low amount of people so that way you can jump in with them. You guys wanna go out in the sand? Okay. What? Don't get hit by this cart. So we are thankfully walking in the shade to go back to the other side and see if we can maybe go to what, Pop Century?
Pop and Art of Animation. Instead of doing a walk around boardwalk, we'll go over here where the food is mid and the decorations
The
are
food
cute.
is terrible. Yeah. You look handsome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the back of that hair. This looks like a little skater kid. Huh. Are you a skater?
No.
Is Tony Hawk your dad?
No.
No? Caballero?
No.
So sometimes, guys, plans don't go the way that you want them to. So, my favorite saying is...
Well, when life gives you lemons.
Yeah, I know. It's a great vine. I think about that almost twice a day.
Pick me up.
Oh, okay. So we made it inside of the Skyliner. It did just come to a stop for a second there. That was fun. I thought, maybe we could know. Okay, that was good. Corbin,
What?
you all right?
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
You drinking some agua?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really wanted to take you on a different Skyliner crawl so you could see other things, but everything is working against us today. Too many people at SeaWorld, people jumping in the Skyliner. I wonder if they had to shut it down because there was vomit in the other
Oh,
ones.
that's disgusting.
Ooh, that's disgusting.
Okay, this is my favorite view, though, on the Skyliner.
Why are you moving it so much?
I'm creating action. As you're speaking, it holds the viewer's attention
Scott
much
says I
more
look
than just...
angry and mad all the time.
She does. Look at her. She could play Maleficent, the evil queen, for sure. Give me your best Maleficent impression.
No.
Come on.
No. What am I supposed to do? Laugh?
Yeah, laugh maniacal.
Does that work?
They gave me a jump scare. A drum scare.
All right, so we have now made our way inside of, what is this place called again? Art of Animation. Art of Animation. And here I'm going into the Pixel Play High Cafe. It's a wonderful place if you want to play video games that are overpriced and enjoy the sound of loud noises. This chair looks kind of weird, doesn't it? Oh, Corbin, are you driving? Hey, how did you guys get to play?
So everything's on.
It's on? Oh, well, that's cool. Oh, it's still there? All right. Oh. What is this little thing? Yeah,
I
get that
found
out of the way. Boop. There you go. Free play. That's nice. I like these because they've got a bunch of different games on there. It's nice. This looks good though. It's like the old. Look at this. I like that. Old school asteroids. Recharged. Okay. There you go. I like this. Look at that. Buddy, they got a monster truck game right here. Yeah. That's a big truck. Get in there. It's Bigfoot. Yeah, Bigfoot Mayhem. I like that. You got to stand up to play this one? I like this one.
Oh, did Jim Carrey? Please don't put that on.
I don't know what to say. Go, Willow! You can do it! It's almost like the real thing! Go, Harlow! Jeez. Crazy. What'd you find? Oh, wow! Look at... It's like all of them.
He has a gift card from Aunt Kim.
For how much?
I don't know, but it's a Disney store. A Disney gift card.
All right, well, let's see.
Hopefully my phone doesn't die.
Corbin!
I get to use it.
Look! There's Coco!
Look at that tiger. That tiger flies.
Yeah, tiger does fry. Got little cars. And for those of you that were wondering, this is $4.77. That's weird. I didn't see that price there, Scott, but you said it. Oh, there it is. $34.99. And if you want to apply my discount, my code is LMNOP. Oh, you had that. Well, Bubba had that.
I want that.
No.
Oh,
Okay, bye. Okay, you want to show everybody what you got? You got Zerg.
yeah.
It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, sure. It's
And
so
enjoy
big. It's
the
a
most
bad
magical
button.
flight on Earth.
He's so big in his belly button. I don't think it's a belly button. That's a gun shooter.
I was so confused for a second. Girls, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
It's kind of a trip of just riding the Skyliner and being in the hot sun.
Willow got stuff too. Why aren't you
Willow,
asking?
oh yeah, what you got, Willow? Let's see. What did you get?
Let's open it. Let's open it.
Oh my gosh.
No, let's not open it in
Let's
here
see.
because what if she drops a piece?
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. You got munchkins? Munchlings?
Munchlings pens. It's a 5-pack. Mystery pack.
Oh my goodness. That's very. Do you collect pens?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
There goes Coco,
Coco.
Miguel, and Dante.
Daddy.
All right. If this was the last thing you were going to say on a vlog, what would you say?
Pancake.
All right. You heard it here first.